Welcome to another Instagram tutorial on our channel. Instagram has added yet another version of the music element display on your stories. Here's how it looks. But how do you add it? Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out. Open Instagram and go to your profile page. Next, we're going to create a story. Click on the blue plus button here. You can immediately notice the music animation at the top of the screen. Now, choose a picture or video for your story. Let's click on the musical note to add some music. Choose a song that you like. You can also use the search option. I'm going to select one for my story. Pick the part of the song you want. You already know how to do that. In this section, you select the look. The last option is the new one. It's a rotating vinyl record, as you can see on the screen. To change the color of the song title and artist, click on this button. You've all noticed the avatar animation. You can turn it on or off by clicking this option here. The avatar animation is available if you have created an avatar on Instagram. After saving your changes, resize or reposition the sticker wherever you want. And that's it. Do you like it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and become a member of our digital family.